Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today we are going to do a bill exchange. We are going to be unstuffing a few envelopes. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and we're going to get into it. All right, so first things first, we're going to go into our bill binder here. I am going to be taking $100 out of my husband's envelope. That is going to be transferred over to his checking account. He prefers to have his money in his checking account versus cash, so we're going to transfer that over for the end of the month. Bills, we're going to go ahead and unstuff this. We only have $27 in there, but this will go back to the bank just as a buffer. Nothing with subscriptions bills. And then debt snowball, we're also going to be taking this out. So this $50 will be going into our debt snowball. All right, and taxes stay, and that is it for our bills binder. So let's go ahead and get into the fun stuff, the sinking funds. So we're gonna go ahead and also count up everything that we have in here and write it down over here. And then we're gonna see what changes we had going on in our sinking funds for March. All right, so we do have $1,000 in the bank. And then here we've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 20, 40, 50. So we're going to leave a 50 out over here. And the rest of this is $1,000. We're going to put over in here. And we are taking that money back to the bank. So we still have $2,050. All right, so we are going to write that over here. And then I'm also making a note over here to the side that I am transferring $1,000 into savings for car down payment. Next up is car maintenance. We've got 50, 100, 50, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 420, 430. So we're going to trade these out for $100 bills. And we've got 430 in car maintenance. Car mods, we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20. So 220. Trade that out for hundreds. Racing events, we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 25. So we're going to take out 100 and replace that over here. And we have 125 in racing events. All right, health. I think health we're going to leave where it is. Let's see, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62. Yeah, I'm going to keep that as it is. We do spend out of health a little bit more than the rest of these sinking funds. And running, we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. So let's go ahead and change this out for a 20. did I say we had in health? I think it was 60. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62. Okay, 62. Gotta make sure I write that down. All right, next up is home. And we've got 20, 40, 60, 70. Nothing to switch out here. Clothing, we have 20, 40, 60, 70. Again, nothing to switch out. Gifts, we have 20, 40, 50, 65. We can switch these two 10s out for a 20. So 65 for gifts. All right, and YouTube, we've got 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So I am going to take out $10 here. Or do I want that to be? Actually, you know what? No, I'm going to leave it like that. So 53 for YouTube. And savings challenge is this, or our emergency savings is the same. So let me put 53 here. And this is the same at 1,000. All right, let's get into our Disney binder. I know Resort, we are gonna take some of this money out. So Resort has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 8, 10, 8, 20, 8, 25. So there's 25. We're gonna do 500, 600, 700, 825. All of this is gonna come back over here. And we will deposit 500 of this into our savings account. And I'm going to make a note of that over here, that 500 is going to be going into savings. And we have 825 in there. All right, theme park tickets, we currently have $25 in there. Nothing to switch out. There is nothing in dining. There is 10 in drinks. There is 5 in snacks. Nothing in souvenirs. There is 5 in photo pass. And nothing in experiences. That binder is all done. All right, let's see here for retirement. We are now at 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, $91. So let's see, 80, whoops, 20, 40, 60, 80, 91. And then this will be coming back over here. So 91 in retirement, $1 challenge stays there. Let's see, our savings challenge and our $1 challenge is up to, actually I think it's on the other side here. Our $1 challenge is up to $26. So I'm just gonna write that there. Credit card challenge. We got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 133. And we are going to trade in these 20s for 100. So still 133. All right, next up is Vacation. And Vacation has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640. And we are going to trade in $500 for a placeholder. Whoops. There we go. I wonder if did I put the correct placeholders in those other ones? I'll have to go double check. So 500, still have 640. So 640 in here. And I need to make sure to mark it over here that I'm putting in another $500 into the bank. Electronics, let's see what we have here. In cash, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we're gonna switch these out for $30. And these will still be folded over because we haven't used this to color anything in. And that is with the gift cards, 207 is in there. There is $25, I believe, in the pet emergency fund. Let's double check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, so we're gonna get a 20 over here. $25. And we'll make sure to mark that over here. We have nothing in date night savings. And then our fuel up savings, we have, I believe it's 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're going to switch out these 10 ones for a $10 bill. All right, and that is it for the bill exchange portion. And we're gonna write, we've got 14 there. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do all the math here, and then we'll get back and go over how our sinking funds changed. All right, y'all, so I did all the math here. Everything in red are things that we actually went down for our sinking funds and the amount we have in there. Everything in green is obviously a gain in those sinking funds over the month. And if you remember, we did have to move things around, refresh, take things out of random sinking funds to cover a over $2,000 vet bill. So after adding everything up, I started off with $7,318 in my sinking funds and savings challenges and ended up with $6,231, which is a loss of $1,087 for the month of March. But I'm counting that as a win, seeing as we know I spent, I think it came out to like $2,200 and change for that vet bill. And we only went down by $1,087. So we did put a lot of work and a lot of money into the sinking funds in March. It's just that one thing just kind of, you know, knocked us out a little bit. But that is my update for my sinking funds. Hopefully in April, we will be able to kind of get us back up to where we were at the beginning of March, maybe even a little bit better. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and remember to enter in my giveaway that is closing on Friday evening at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So go ahead, go to that server income giveaway video and enter into my giveaway. I will see y'all tomorrow. We are going to be setting up our April budget. We're going to go over the goals that we have for April for some of our sinking funds and just, you know, set April up to be a good month. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.